Hello, guys. I had a very mean guest, and this guest left me a little present here. Okay, now how to handle this? It's itching and it goes on it gets on my nerves. So I show you how to handle it with it, that it will never ever itching anymore. So take water with a spoon, and the water is it's nearly too hot for this part of skin, yeah, but not as bad as it burns your skin away, right? So take the hot spoon and I cannot see. Hi. Hi. So okay, once again. So, and it works, but why it works? It is because this badass mosquito pitch, I don't know in English, left, the proteins from the pitch is destroyed by hot water, because of the heat. So, that's it, baby. Ready. Okay. Yeah, I told the guest that he never needed to come back to me. Okay. If it works, if it doesn't work, whatever. Give him, left a comment, left a like, whatever. Thank you so much. Bye bye. By the way, this is Düsseldorf in Germany. Beauty. No, not beauty. Okay, bye bye, guys. Oh, a bit blue heaven. This could be heaven. Bye bye.